What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Walker, and I'm back with another video. We got 4 guys that's gonna reject the girls when they come up based on their parents, pickup lines, and looks. You know what I'm saying? So make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Y'all stay tuned. Let's get it. The first person we have is
China Love.
China Love. All right, how y'all boys feeling? So introduce yourself. What you do?
I'm a professional dancer and a bartender.
Professional dancer, bartenders. Nah, ain't nobody popping the balloons. All right, so do you got?
Dancing you do?
Like heels, hip hop, modern, ballet.
I thought she was like a stripper or something. I thought she was a stripper.
It's 2 different things.
Vic.
Hold on,
They got
wait,
Kobe
it's 2
in
different
there.
dances. There's one that's a stripper and the one that's the professional. That's why I said professional dancer. Cause I get
So now you got sauce, you got game. Like you be snatching niggas. What you be doing?
No, not really. I don't really got sauce. But what's your name?
Oh.
With the chain. What is it?
Sandra.
Sandra?
Yeah.
That's cute. How old are you?
I'm 22.
Who you a baby?
What?
You are. You a baby. But
You
real
can pop
tall.
the balloon at any time.
You size of me.
I'm not. I'm just saying you a baby. That's it. I'm older. I'm 28. That's why I said that.
Okay. I'm grown though. That's what I'm saying.
That's nice. So.
Surprise, motherfucker.
Okay.
So why you pop the balloon, bro?
Cause you feel me? Like I ain't no baby, bro. Feel me?
Okay.
All right. So you got 3 niggas left. So you ain't pick up you ain't do a pickup line yet, but I see what you try to do. So look, the power is now in your hands. You know, leave the last guy that you feeling right now.
Down feeling. Okay. You tall. What's your name?
My name Trey.
Trey.
Yeah.
Okay. And what you do?
What do I do? Nothing really. I'm not gonna lie. I don't really do much.
You're lying.
Damn.
What do you do?
Same shit.
You do nothing? Yeah, nah. Yeah. What do you do?
I work for a credit union.
Okay, hold on. Let me give it to you real quick. Yes. What is your occupation?
I do a lot of stuff. I do fraud too.
So all right, pause.
That's okay. That's okay.
Why you pop the balloon? Cause he don't do nothing.
Yeah, he just said he didn't do anything. You could have told me that. You should have told me that. I would have been like, alright, what's your hobby?
Ask me what I do. She just sized me.
You done.
Yeah,
you been done.
You're done.
Why you didn't say that at first? I wouldn't have popped your balloon, but you told me you didn't do nothing. Like, I'm a hustler. Like, I do mad stuff. So if you telling me that you don't do nothing, I got to. You feel me? You should have. You could have had. If he could get another balloon.
Nah, he can't get another balloon. It's too late. We gonna
Wait, hold on. Okay.
So we got 2 guys left.
Okay, so I'm saving him real quick. All right, so you said, you do other stuff. How old are you?
Ladies and gentlemen, we got him.
All right, allegedly. Okay, so how old are you?
22, just like bro.
Oh, so you're a baby too. But you see how he didn't take it personal? All right, keep it moving. All right, so you go to school or do anything else?
Nah, I don't go to school.
No. What's your nationality?
Jamaican.
That's it.
Yeah.
Do you want kids?
Of course.
Let me see. Okay, I'm gonna come back to you. Wait, how tall are you?
7'1". No, 6'1". I'm
I
tripping.
didn't know where.
He said 7'1".
6'1". Like, is it?
I'm telling you.
That's the only reason because
Yes. No, you should have just told me that you had a hobby. I wouldn't have popped your balloon. I came to you first. I came to you because you're an alpha. You just stated out the rest out of you feel me? But you say you ain't do nothing. So.
My dog do credit.
Okay, so you do credit. Yeah. I like that.
You know.
I mean, you're a little short, but how tall are you?
You not tall?
5'7"?
Yeah.
You 5'7"?
Nah, bro,
Yeah.
say probably 7.
Man taller than you, so the brother.
Big man too.
Isn't it?
Okay, what's your nationality?
Asian.
Okay. You know how to cook?
Of course.
You want kids?
Yes.
Besides credit union, what else do you do?
I have some side hustles.
Side hustles like what?
Mm,
You can't say.
And he had good jobs in the past.
allegedly, so just know I hustle.
You went to school? What school you went to?
I went to FAU, but I had to take a break, so I'm planning on going back though.
For what?
Computer
Have you
engin-
graduated yet, like with your AA or no?
Yeah, so I'm gonna finish back.
So you gonna do
computer
your
engineering.
bachelor's? How old are you?
27.
Damn.
27?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So wait, I have to choose now?
Yeah, you gotta leave somebody. You gotta pick somebody.
Damn!
You gotta pick somebody. Them two already gone, so. Yeah. Yeah, man.
I ain't gonna lie, he gonna take care of me.
Come on now, dog.
So, we got the first match. That's good.
I'm sorry, y'all. I'm sorry.
Next round. Now we done flip the switch. The girls are gonna have the chance to pop the balloons. The guys are gonna come up, spit the game. And I'm saying, single men, reveal yourself.
Trey Tajay, follow me on IG. Trey Tajay _ Yeah, man.
Ladies, y'all feeling Trey so far? No pops, okay?
Oh no, let me go ahead. Pop
You thought I was
Shit.
I was
Damn.
debating in my
Damn. Alright, hold on. Forward. So, why did you pop the balloon?
His last name threw me off. It gotta go.
I think I Instagram named that still. Last name?
Yeah, IG name.
Oh, IG name.
It'll make it no better. You
You
helping
right.
him. I thought mine because I feel like he take things very personal. Everything is not that serious.
I ain't
So
gonna
yeah.
lie.
Damn.
Damn. Damn.
I'm so sorry.
So don't tell me you're going with her.
No, it's the truth. She talking the truth though, because he gave his feelings too much.
Come on, man.
All right, Doc. Sorry, Doc. Y'all go on y'all go on by yourself tonight.
Hi, I'm Angel Lyric.
Y'all boys feeling angel so far?
Damn.
Yo, forward. So why you popping balloons?
She gave me that look, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, why you looking at me, nigga? Like, I'm trying to care for you.
You don't like that?
Nah.
He said you gave him that look.
I don't know what type of look I gave him. But I mean,
Like, why you
he must
looking
be
at me?
insecure or something, because if my looks intimidate you, something gotta be wrong.
So go ahead, introduce yourself. I mean, I know you already said your
Okay,
name.
I'm Angel
but,
Lyric.
what you do?
I'm also a YouTuber like Pree.
How? Hold on, bro. How? How you? I'm saying, how? Like, talk to me, bro.
I also have 2 jobs. I'm a full-time student and I have a daughter. So if that's a deal breaker for you, you might as well go ahead and bust your balloon.
Y'all boys good with that? YouTuber, entrepreneur. What'd you say? What else you said?
I have 2 jobs and
She
I'm a
got 2
full-time
jobs
student.
and she a full-time student. Sounds good. All right. Do you have any pickup lines?
I mean, the first thing I look at is the shoes.
Shoes?
Yeah. Before I even could think about a pickup line. So, yeah, straight.
So everybody good right now. Well, understand, she talking about shoes. So if you don't got a good pair of shoes on, she ain't talking to you. That's basically what she said.
She don't got no wrist though?
Nah, she just looking at the shoes. Yeah, she don't got no
wrist.
sauce.
What you mean, no stars?
Like you don't got no.
Pickup line?
Yeah, like, you know what you gonna say to a nigga? Like if you see the
Not for me.
you know your type. If you see your type right here right now, like what would you say?
First I would ask, what's his zodiac sign? So what's your zodiac sign? You a Gemini? 'Cause
Y'all
you
boys straight with the
shaking.
zodiac. You ain't even fuck.
When your birthday?
Damn.
We alright. We know why he popped it. He don't fuck with the zodiac
Okay,
sign.
cool. When your birthday? So you're a Scorpio? Okay, well I'm gonna just pop this balloon and throw it him.
Damn,
like
you
Scorpios.
moving fast. Hold on.
Yeah, I like Scorpios.
All right, here. So you said you gonna pop his balloon. He a Gemini. You like Scorpios?
Some of the win.
Your money, we money.
I was looking at you when I came in the door.
Oh, yeah? It was been a match from first sight. All right, we're going to get to the next one.
What's going on? It's Taliban 2 times, a.k.a. Macho. You can follow me on IG at cut.by Macho. You feel me? We here with Pree. You know what I'm saying?
Yes, sir. Ladies. Okay, good so far, good so far. So what you do, well, we already know what you do. So we're just going to skip that pickup line. Let's go. How you sauce them?
Right.
How you get them?
I'm going to go to this one. I'm just ask questions. Where you from?
Broward.
Yeah? What part?
North Lauderdale.
Born and raised? What's your birthday?
420.
Oh, yeah? What type of guys you like?
I go more like,
I'm right here.
I'm more into like, I gotta get to know the person. I gotta see how you are as a person.
Okay.
Boring.
You seem cool. I'm going to come back to you. You? Where you from?
New Orleans.
Oh, yeah? Hey, say. I got a little accent. What down with it, though?
What's down with it?
What down? How long you been here for?
Like 5 years.
How old you is?
I'm in my 20s.
Come on, bro. How old you? I need to know. You feel me? You got a low one. I need to know.
I'm in my 20s.
Alright. I'm going to come at you.
All right.
You? Where you from?
New York.
Why you so smiley, man? Tone it down. What's up? You nervous or something?
No.
You can't stand still for nothing. You got to pee?
I'm from New York.
Okay, I fuck with it. Fuck, I was born in Jersey, actually.
Okay.
For sure. What part of New York you from?
Queens.
I don't hear nothing about no Queens girl, though. That's a red flag, though. I ain't gonna lie. But I like the drip, though. You feel me? You put yourself together nice. I ain't gonna lie. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna ask one of y'all one more question, and then I'm gonna see who I'm gonna eliminate. You feel me? Shit, though.
But yeah, go ahead. Ask your question.
What you wanna do, like, for a living? Like, what's your dream job or your dream career?
I'm gonna be a flight attendant for 2 more years, and then within that time, like right now I'm still working on it, my cleaning business.
Okay. So you wanna clean, like, have a cleaning crew or some shit, or like what?
Yeah, I'm gonna start off by myself. Well, I have 2 other people with me, but overall I'll probably get it bigger soon.
Okay. You?
I'm gonna be a massage therapist.
A business owner.
What type of business?
I'm selling shoes. I dance right now, and I teach heels, which is one of my businesses. And then I want to go into shoes, professional shoes for dancers, professional dancers.
Okay.
All right, so ladies, y'all feeling the game? Y'all feeling the sauce? I realize none of y'all pop y'all balloons, so I assume. So you know what time it is.
Yeah.
That one there was a violation.
Oh, damn.
She said, you feel me, the whole, what you had said just a while ago? When I asked the last question, like, what you want to do for your career, you was like,
I guess he don't like it. I guess he don't like it. I see what you
First of all,
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care.
Let me tell you.
We don't care.
I mean,
she get that one client that tip just
massage
right.
therapist to my services. When girls have their surgery, I'm going to be the one massaging
you
them.
wanna
What are
do
you
girls?
talking about?
Oh,
That's
you only gonna
money.
do girls?
Yeah.
You ain't say that. See, I gotta be
yeah.
specific. I would never
Right,
popped that balloon. You gotta be specific.
All right.
Oh, it's cool.
I mean, we still got 2. You know what I'm saying?
No.
Still got 2.
She seemed pretty chill though, you know what I'm saying? But you feel me? I really like the green, you know, if you look nice and green, I ain't gonna lie. I'm about to go, you know what I'm saying?
So the money green.
Type shit.
Didn't y'all match the last time or no?
You matched with
Nah, I matched with her last
Yeah, you
time.
matched with her.
Oh, all right.
For sure.
All right, we gonna get to the next one.
So that's a wrap.
I'm Ming.
Ming, aka
Melly.
not Ming the tourist.
No.
Jewett.
No.
All right, so how y'all boys feeling Ming so far? Y'all boys feeling Ming? All right. So what you do, Ming?
I'm a flight attendant.
Flight attendant.
Yeah.
You should be all around the world.
Which airline though?
JetBlue.
JetBlue.
As long as it's not Spirit.
I hope y'all wasn't thinking Spirit now.
No Spirit.
Nah,
Okay.
he was ready to pop it. He was ready.
Okay.
All right. So you making it so far. Now I need you to, sauce somebody up. Something.
Just ask questions.
Go ahead.
Okay.
We got a lot of hustlers out here. How you feeling?
Allegedly.
I mean, everybody liking you so far. So,
I'm being real with
it's going good so far.
Allegedly.
Okay.
So look, now it's your turn.
Only because of your height.
That one there was a violation.
Too short, my boy. I'm sorry. He
Because
too
his
short.
height.
You short too.
Damn.
I don't like fraternity niggas. Yeah.
I'm not in the fraternity though.
You still wearing it?
So I won this round?
Yeah, you won this round. So we got a match. Right. Single guy, introduce yourself.
Dante.
Dante? Yeah, I like that introduction, Dante. No? I mean, you could pop your balloon if you didn't like it. Alright, look like they trying to hold out. So, we don't say do all about things, but we need something. Like, what else do you do? Like, and I'm the job, work on care, construction.
Yeah, me have a day job, yes, but kinda insecure about it, you know.
Say the word. But at least you have a job still, you get to the bread.
Never lie.
Alright, so he gets to the money. That's all that matters, right? Alright, now, so all you get them now. Oh, yeah.
So they just step.
Yeah, man, step to them, ask them a couple questions, sauce them up,
And some you do it still, Father, you know.
So, all you do it.
Pick up line, a literally pick up line, you see
So,
me?
go on then, no? Pick up line. Yeah, I
I
do.
don't know what type picture already, so you me a deal, you know.
So we are pop them balloon and just take that one there. When you can pop on a balloon and just take that one there.
Pop on a balloon.
Damn.
That one there was a violation. Personally, I wouldn't have it.
Yeah, I'm going.
Line it.
Pick up line.
We need to get the pick up line for that. So,
Still want some pick up line, Father. Alright. So, the word of the day is legs. So, why don't you come back to my place and spread the word?
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Hey, no, but the bad still, the intro the bad. Yeah, the intro the bad, but she never like a pickup line. If you never say pickup line, it's a guy no.
The game did already over. Yeah. But you don't like it?
Oh, yeah, she don't like it.
Too fast?
So last but not least, single guy, reveal yourself.
My name is Max.
Max. All right, shoot, they feeling you so far, Max.
So far, so good.
So far, so good. So what you do, Max?
I work for a bank and a hustle, allegedly.
Stop it. Get some help.
Bank and hustle, allegedly. Everybody feeling that? Oh. All right, let's go. Come on, Max. Why did you pop your balloon,
I
man?
can't get over the height.
Hit me one time.
I can't.
Hit me 2 times.
Like, y'all about the same height.
The height, that's the issue.
3 times.
That's
All right. So y'all straight with the height, though. Y'all good. Everything he said so far. All right, cool.
No, I don't like the height, but it's cool.
You gonna let it go.
She a keeper.
Look like he already chose one. Let's pick up line. How you get him?
Just get to know you. What's your name? What's your name?
China.
Okay, China.
China and Angel. 1% from heaven. The other.
So what do you do, China?
Professional dancer. and I'm a student. I'm about to get my associate's degree in communications, and I'm a bartender. And I have a day job too. I'm working out.
She gets to the money. What do you do?
You see what I did.
You know what
I'm
you
a
do?
mother. I'm a mother.
She's just a
Full-time
mother.
mom. Yeah.
It's your turn, boy.
I'm still feeling it.
How? Hold on, bro. How?
Still feeling it? Y'all still feeling it?
She was like, I'm ready to get
Y'all still feeling it? Let me know. Like, y'all. He's still feeling it. So he look like he want both of y'all because he can't decide right now.
It's all good.
It's all good. I mean, somebody's gonna.
So what's your plan for the future, though?
What the fuck? So that was a fucking lie.
He was just trying to know. Shit.
Right, like what?
Well, I guess we matched then.
Alright, yeah, so, you know.
2 for 2.
2 for 2. Alright, let's do that. Like, comment, subscribe.